Hey, how's it going guys? Welcome back to my video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to sublimate wooden storage box by GS803. Okay, before we start printing, you gotta know the printing parameters, right? The temperature should be 180 degrees Celsius and 60 seconds. Let's start printing, shall we? Okay, first pull out the panel and apply the printing image cover with the panel. Then fixing with high heat resistant tapes. Making sure that the panel is always in the middle of the printing image, alright? Then just put it on lower platinum. Cover with Teflon sheet. Let's get it. Okay guys, thumbs up. Let's check out the final result. So vibrant and vivid. The image is so clear, right? After printing, insert the panel like me. And then you got an exquisite storage box.